Today, we're exploring what was once the oldest continuously operating glass container factory in America. I'm your host, Evan, and this is Deep Dive, Anchor Glass. This Anchor Glass plant opened its doors during the height of the American Civil War in 1863, under the name Hall, Pancoast, and Craven. When a facility first opened, all of the glass containers were hand-blown, and in 1913, the factory made the switch to the more modern machine-blown process. The plant would go through many physical and name changes before receiving the well-known Anchor branding in the 1930s. Since then, the factory has produced various glass containers like Ball Mason jars, Yoo-Hoo, Snapple, and Rose's grenadine bottles. When the plant first opened in 1863, they were able to produce 2,000 beer bottles per 8-hour shift. And in 2013, they were able to make 715,000 beer bottles in that same 8-hour time frame. The Anchor plant was eventually shut down in 2014 due to declining use of glass containers, and this marked the end of the glass-making era in this small town. These are the remnants of the glass furnaces and melters. Each of these furnaces held 600,000 pounds of glass at all times. The burners that were once inside of them would heat the furnaces up to 2,800 degrees Fahrenheit. During the winter months, each furnace required 350 gallons of number 6 bunker oil per hour to run, and used 550 tons of batch, the raw material used to make glass, every 24 hours. During the summer of 2012, furnace number 3 suffered a catastrophic failure on the side of the melter, causing all the molten glass above the break in its wall to pour onto the factory floor. Here is some of the footage of the local fire department responding to that incident. And this is the aftermath. If you love history and exploring forgotten places, click the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now let's explore the offices and medical center housed inside the furnace building. Next, we'll venture into the machine shop. Now, let's head towards the inspection and packing area of the factory. This is what the inspection and packing area looked like months before the plant was closed down in 2014. And this is what it looks like today. Here, glass containers were inspected by plant employees for defects. After they passed inspection, they were loaded onto pallets and prepared for shipping. From start to finish, the inspection and packing process only took 8 to 10 minutes per pallet. After the containers were placed onto pallets, they were taken here, shipping and receiving. Lastly, let's explore the main office of Anchor Glass, which was built inside of a schoolhouse from the late 1800s. Thank you for joining me on this adventure through the former Anchor Glass factory. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on my latest history videos. Take care.